Don't wait until it's too late. Did you know there's a simple homemade way to protect yourself from ticks on your skin and clothing? In just a few minutes, you can create a natural barrier, and all the ingredients are likely already in your kitchen. Add 1 tablespoon of lavender tea or a few drops of lavender essential oil to 300 milliliters of hot water. Lavender is known for its strong scent, which irritates tick senses and keeps them away from treated areas. Its natural essential oils create an environment that parasites cannot tolerate, while remaining completely safe for your skin. Next, add a couple of tablespoons of lemon juice. The acids in lemon act as a natural repellent by altering the smell and surface environment, which confuses and repels ticks. When diluted with water, lemon juice is safe to apply on clothing or skin and also helps disinfect treated surfaces. The next ingredient is cloves. Add half a tablespoon of ground or whole cloves to the mixture. The natural compounds in cloves make it harder for ticks to move and reduce the chances of being bitten. Their strong scent further deters parasites, making the treated area unappealing. For the final step, add half a tablespoon of garlic powder. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that releases a strong smell unpleasant to ticks. When applied in combination with the other scents, it reduces a host's attractiveness and makes it harder for parasites to find a spot to bite. Don't worry, the lavender and lemon scents are stronger and mask the garlic smell. Let the mixture sit for a few hours so all the ingredients blend well. Then strain it through cheesecloth and pour it into a spray bottle. Your natural tick repellent is now ready to use. Apply it to your skin and clothing before going outside, and enjoy protection from ticks. Just a few drops are enough to create an effective, safe, and natural barrier. No chemicals, no hassle, just natural ingredients you already have at home. Try this trick and forget about pesky ticks. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Enjoy natural protection.